So there's so many parts to a roof that many people overlook, and we like to say in the roofing business, make sure you read the fine print. If you noticed in previous conversations, we've already replaced all the decking that needed to be replaced, making sure that we have a solid nailing surface, making sure we have a strong foundation. And then from there, it's really making sure that we have the proper underlayments. So one part that you can see that many companies really cut corners on is not having the proper ice and water shield. See, what we have here is a Weatherlock Flex Ice and Water Shield. Big part about this is that it's self-sealing, meaning it seals around the nails, because these are the most critical parts that you need to protect against ice damming. Now, not only do we have it across the first layer that you see here, but we also see this in one of the most intricate areas that you really got to be careful for, which is at the flashing detail. You see, where anytime that there's flashings, you really got to be careful, because this is a very susceptible area for water to get in. And you're gonna see, we're gonna start having our step flashing done here, and we'll be weaving in new step flashing to make sure that we have proper water protection in these really, really critical areas. And from there, you can see that we got a nice F8 drip edge, which is a nice solid wide drip edge to make sure that we can protect against any wind-driven rain. And then to top it off and to finish our substrate or our underlayment process, as you can see that we got a synthetic, what we call a Pro Armor synthetic underlayment. Not that standard felt, something that tears and rips, and it's a really secure area that, one, we can walk on top of and it doesn't rip very easily, but more so making sure that you have the proper protection in case you get any wind-driven rain or any ice buildup. You know that you're gonna have a roof that is really gonna meet those manufacturer specifications and last that full 50 years.